Here he goes. Hi, Mason. Steve, can Mommy have a turn vacuuming? Do you think Mama can have a turn? Please? Can Mama vacuum too? Is that your vacuum? Are you a big helper cleaning the house? Uh-oh. Think we found a problem here. Can we go backwards? Go the other way? There you go. Uh-oh. All right, Mason, can Mommy have a turn to vacuum now?